What if I told you that a single dollar bill in your pocket right now could save you $10,000 this year? I know it sounds impossible, but stick with me because I'm about to show you the exact method that completely transformed my finances, and it started with just $1. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step system that works even if you're living paycheck to paycheck. 2 years ago, I was that person checking my bank account 3 times before buying coffee. I had tried every budgeting app, every savings challenge, every piece of advice from financial gurus. Nothing stuck. I was saving maybe $50 a month if I was lucky. Then my grandmother shared something with me that she learned during the Great Depression, and everything changed. She pulled out a crumpled dollar bill from her purse and said, "Peter, this isn't just money, it's a seed." I thought she was losing it, but what she taught me next completely rewired how I think about money. Here's what she showed me. Every time you touch money, whether it's cash, your card, or even thinking about a purchase, you make a split-second decision. Most people make this decision unconsciously, but what if you could hack that moment? The $1 trick isn't about the dollar itself, it's about creating a pattern interrupt. Every time I was about to spend money on something non-essential, I'd hold that dollar bill for exactly 10 seconds and ask myself 3 questions. Those 10 seconds changed everything. Let me break down the exact system. Step 1. The physical anchor. Keep a single dollar bill in your wallet, separate from everything else. This is your pause button. Some people use a coin, others use a note on their phone. But I recommend cash because it's tactile. Step 2. The 3 questions. When you're about to make any purchase over $5, touch that dollar and ask 1. Will I remember this purchase in 1 week? 2. Am I solving a problem or creating a feeling? 3. What would my future self say about this? This takes literally 10 seconds, but here's the magic. It activates your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for decision-making, instead of your limbic system that drives impulse purchases. Step 3. The 24-hour rule. If you can't answer those questions confidently, you wait 24 hours. Not a week, not a month, just 24 hours. You'd be amazed how many purchases you forget about completely. Step 4. The redirect. Here's where it gets powerful. Take whatever you were going to spend and immediately transfer it to a separate savings account. Even if it's $3 for a coffee you decided not to buy. This creates a positive feedback loop. In my first month, I redirected $340 using this method. By month 6, I had saved over $2,000 without feeling deprived because I was making conscious choices instead of emotional ones. Why does this work when other methods fail? It's all about friction and awareness. Most financial advice tries to restrict you. Don't buy this, don't do that. This method gives you permission to spend, but it adds just enough friction to make you conscious of the decision. There's actually a study from MIT that shows when people use cash instead of cards, they spend 12 to 18% less because of the physical sensation. We're taking that principle and amplifying it with intentionality. The dollar bill becomes your financial conscience. It's not about the money, it's about the moment of pause that lets your rational brain catch up to your emotional brain. Once you master the basic technique, here are 3 advanced strategies. The compound effect. Track your redirected money and watch it grow. I use a simple note app to log every purchase I avoid. Seeing $5 here, $15 there, $40 there add up to hundreds is incredibly motivating. The upgrade strategy. Instead of buying something cheap and low quality, save that money toward the high quality version. I stopped buying $20 shoes every few months and saved for $200 shoes that lasted 2 years. The experience multiplier. Before buying anything material, calculate how many experiences that money could buy. That $60 video game could be a day trip, a nice dinner, or put toward a vacation. The key is to make this system invisible. It should feel effortless after a few weeks. I know what you're thinking. Peter, this sounds too simple. That's exactly why it works. Complex systems fail because they require willpower, and willpower is limited. This system runs on autopilot once you install it. But what about emergencies? This isn't about restricting essential purchases. It's about becoming aware of unconscious spending. You'll still buy groceries and pay bills. You'll just stop buying stuff you forget about the next day. Here's my challenge for you. Try this for exactly 7 days. Get a dollar bill, put it in your wallet, and use the 3-question method on every non-essential purchase. Track what you redirect and share your results in the comments. I guarantee you'll be shocked at how much unconscious spending you do. Some people save their entire monthly coffee budget in the first week just by becoming aware of their patterns. That crumpled dollar bill my grandmother showed me has saved me over $25,000 in the last 2 years. Not because of the dollar itself, but because of the consciousness it created around every financial decision. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical strategies. Your future self will thank you, and so will your bank account. I'll see you in the next one.